Hello, let's make potato pancakes. Honestly, these are the easiest breakfast option. First, boil some potatoes, four in this case. Uh, Shred them, wash the shredded potatoes in cold water, and then squeeze the water out. Now, add one egg, about 2 tablespoons of plain flour, salt as per your taste, then add some black pepper. Here I'm just trying to show you that it's black pepper. And then you mix until the batter looks something like this. It holds on the fork. Then add some mozzarella and cheddar cheese mix. I had this, I'm using this. If you want to add just mozzarella, go ahead. If you want to add cheddar, go ahead. Doesn't matter, do what you like. Then heat a skillet, add some oil or ghee or butter or whatever you want to fry it in. Then try and balance it on the fork if you don't want to use a spoon, just like me. And then just put it in shape a little so they don't just, completely look out of whack. And then try and cook them for a bit, just like with pancakes. You let them cook untouched for a couple of minutes, not exactly a minute, maybe 30-40 seconds, until they're completely set and light brown. Then you flip them, cook them completely, because the potatoes are already cooked. The egg cooks super quick, and then the cheese melts. So there you have super yummy potato pancakes. Enjoy them in breakfast or evening snacks. And this is my very poor attempt of showing you what the inside looks like. But yeah, that's your potato pancakes. Enjoy.